Hi, floral designers. Luann from EveryStem here. I'd like to quickly review ordering by the stem versus ordering by the bunch in your EveryStem account. When you create a new flower, you can choose to order by the stem or by the bunch. If you know how many stems are in a bunch, for example, this beautiful white stock has 10 stems in a bunch, you would choose to order it by the stem. Let's use these gorgeous locally grown ranunculus as an example. They're $21.90 for the entire bunch from my local wholesaler. So I would take that 21.90, I would divide it by 10, and I would get the price of 2.19 a stem. That's the price I'm going to put in my price box when I create my flower. Then I would leave stem in the stem or bunch drop-down box because that's the default option. And then in the stems per pack line, I would go ahead and put 10 because I know I'm going to get 10 stems in a bunch. That's how you would order by the stem. Then, if you want to order by the bunch, because you're not sure how many stems come in a grower's bunch, let's say this Sterling Range, for example, we got about 15 stems in this bunch, but we weren't exactly sure how many we were going to get when we received it from the wholesaler. I bought this yesterday and it cost me $10.90. So I'm going to go ahead and enter this flower in my Create Flower modal with the price of the entire bunch, $10.90. Then I would go ahead and pick bunch from the drop-down box where it says stem or bunch. Then I would enter this in my recipes in the event as a decimal. So if I wanted to order half of a bunch, I would put 0.5 in my recipe. If I wanted to order maybe 3/4 of a bunch, I would put 0.75 in my recipe. If I had a bridesmaid bouquet and I wanted to order half a bunch, I would go ahead in the line item for that flower and I would put 0.5. And then let's say we had two bridesmaids bouquets. That would total up to one bunch. And on processing and production days, myself, my freelancers, or designers could go ahead and divide that bunch into two equal portions, giving each bridesmaid bouquet 0.5 of a bunch. We have a really handy, easy to use, downloadable list of all the decimals that you can use to order your bunches by. So you can download that and use it, but let us know if you have any questions. We're happy to help. Have a great day.